Welcome! This is the All You Need to Know About People lecture series. This Feelings and Emotions course empowers you to talk about your feelings and emotions in Malay. Whether you're feeling enthusiastic, which is bersemangat, perhaps you're feeling puas hati, satisfied, or riang, joyful. Have you wondered what words can you use to describe character? Or perhaps what words can you use to describe personality? Are you ambitious? Bercita-cita tinggi? Skilled? Mahir? Perhaps you're sociable, pandai bergaul. Hello there! Welcome to the Happy Malays, all you need to know about people lecture series on how people look like. Berambut kerinting, curly hair. Berkacamata, wears glasses. This course is all about Malay adjectives, grammar, and vocabulary. Describe effortlessly and fluently whilst incorporating an extensive grammatical range with spot-on accuracy. I am excited to begin. Are you? Thank you. Any questions? Reach out to me and I will answer your questions.